In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify header to customize your store's logo, navigation menu, and overall layout. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store from the left sidebar. Next, select Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look for the header section near the top of the sidebar and click on it. Here you can customize different parts of your Shopify header, including the logo, menu, announcement bar, and navigation settings. To change your logo placement, look for the desktop logo position option and choose whether you want the logo aligned left, center, or right. If you want to upload a new logo, click Change and select a new image from your computer or Shopify files. You can also edit your navigation menu directly from the header settings to organize links like Home, Shop, Contact, or Collections. Explore additional header settings such as sticky header options, spacing, colors, and mobile menu layouts depending on your Shopify theme. After making your changes, preview the header on desktop and mobile views to ensure everything looks clean and professional. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save at the top right corner to apply the changes to your live store. Customizing your Shopify header helps strengthen your brand identity and improves the customer browsing experience. Thanks for watching.